today we are going to do something special, all right? And in 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Okay, you have a rectangular sheet of paper in front of you, friends. Let's divide it into half like this. Let's make sure we join these two edges that are there. Let's just fold it up like this. It need not divide into half, but just let's fold it up. Let's cross out the two edges. And let's fold the paper like this. You should see something like this, friends. All right, friends. Step number 2. Let us divide this paper like this into 2. Just fold the paper like this and divide it. So give it a nice little fold like this, friends. Friends, now comes the most difficult move. Open up your paper fully and keep it this way. You should see an X on your paper, friends. Difficult, isn't it? Just open up your paper and keep it in front of you. Now let's try joining the paper like this, over this line. Just fold it over this line. Fold the paper towards right, over this line. On that line, you have to just fold the paper. Nothing difficult, friends. Very easy step. And give it this nice little crease. All right, friends, you have your paper like this. Fold it in such a way that your paper should end this way. You should get these two triangles like this. Just fold the paper up.
Can I help you?
So that you get like a boat like a thing.
Nice one.
Now, the next step, friends, do the same thing. Again, fold the bottom in such a way that it ends at this base of a triangle like this. Just fold it one more time. Give it a nice little press. It becomes thicker and thicker, but it's okay. Friends, if you have this, again divide it one more time and fold it one more time. Can you please do it again? One more time. Need not be perfect, friends. Just try to give it a nice little fold. It is a bit thicker. Just give it all your strength to fold this, okay? You should have this now. All right, friends. You see these two triangles that are there? The upper part, the eyes part. Just for style reasons, just fold it a little bit at the bottom. Just a very tiny little bit. There you go. Just give it a nice, just a small fold. Very small. It need not be anything. Just a small little one. So that it stands. Even when air is blown, right? Yeah, good. See at this part, right? You have to fold your specs. Your spectacles need to be folded this way, right? Now let's do that. You have this part near the one triangle. Just fold it up. If you want, you can fold it fully and give it this nice little press so that it is foldable. You have to fold your spectacles, right? If you are done, do it for the other end as well. At this end, where it should be open. And close. So I can close my spectacles, and here is your specs, friends. Here is your spectacles. There you go. The school stylish sunglasses. Yeah, good job. So this is something like this.